Rust stains. Those little rascals are ugly. I personally hate them. And in my opinion, they're one of those things that it doesn't matter how clean the appliance is, it doesn't matter how polished or shiny it is, if you have rust stains or watermarks, it looks horrible. Today, my friends, we're kicking those rust stains to the curb because I'm going to show you how to remove them quickly and confidently without losing your sanity. The process is very simple. You want to use some regular distilled white vinegar or use some liquid barkeeper's friend, which works way better in my opinion. Simply apply a small amount to a Scrub Daddy sponge and scrub the spots with the grain. The grain is the tiny lines on the surface that flow either vertically or horizontally. Always rub with the grain as it makes this process a whole lot easier. One important note I want to mention though is that if your appliances have a finger resistant coating, you want to skip this process simply because these products will indeed damage that coating and mess up the appliance. If you're unsure about it, just check your owner's manual or test this process in a small inconspicuous area before you proceed to do the whole appliance. And that's it, my friends. That is the best way to remove rust stains from your stainless steel appliance. Implement this process into your cleaning routine and you will be one step closer to becoming the clean with confiteer that I know you are.